Looking to transfer your domain to GoDaddy? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your domain from another registrar to GoDaddy in just a few simple steps. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the Domains section. Click on Transfer Domain to start the transfer process. Next, go to your current domain registrar and unlock your domain. This step is important as it allows GoDaddy to access and transfer your domain. Once unlocked, you'll need to get the EPP code, also known as an authorization code, from your current registrar. This code is necessary to verify and authorize the domain transfer. Now, go back to GoDaddy and enter the domain name you wish to transfer. Paste the EPP code into the required field and click Next. GoDaddy will verify the transfer and ask you to confirm your contact information. Double-check that everything is correct, as it's important for domain management. Once everything is confirmed, pay for the domain transfer. In most cases, the transfer will extend your domain registration for another year. GoDaddy will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Click the link in the email to approve the transfer, and GoDaddy will start processing it. The transfer process may take a few days to complete, but you'll receive notifications from GoDaddy once the transfer is finalized. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your domain to GoDaddy. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy domain and website management tips.